Hello, everyone. You have reached Top It Off with Miss R. And if you would like to know how to achieve this up and down hairstyle using the Fame wig by It's a Wig, please keep watching and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So let's get to it. Okay, guys, we are about to set our hair. So what you see me doing here is smoothing down my hair with Echo Styling Gel, and I place a braid close to behind my ear. Now, I am going to put a braid in the middle of my hair. And I am going to attach both braids together. Now we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side of our hair. And we're going to make sure that our hair look nice and neat. And we're going to make sure the parts are nice and crisp. Now we're going to put a braid on this side of our head. And we're going to make sure that that braid is close to behind the ear as possible. All right, guys, once we do that, we're going to smooth out those lines and we are going to connect the braids in the back with a hairband. Okay, guys, your hair should look like this. Now, I'm on my way out to the health club, guys, so this is one of the ways that I like to wear my hair when I'm going to the health club. So once you finish setting your hair, we're going to wet the top of our hair. And we're going to moisturize it with some Cream of Nature, shea butter, and mango leave-in conditioner. And we're going to work that conditioner all the way through the hair at the top. Now, guys, this conditioner smells wonderful. Once you do that, we're going to leave out some baby hair. Now, this is the wig. This is the Fame synthetic wig in the number 1. And this wig is by It's a Wig. Now, we're going to put our hair back, separate some of those curls, and now we're going to secure the hair in place. Now, guys, when you're securing your hair down, make sure that the hairpiece is behind those parts you made because you want those parts to show, just like you see me doing here. And we're going to do that on both sides. There we go. Now, I have other hairstyles featuring this wig, so go check those videos out, guys. So now that we have the hair secure, we're going to take as much hair as we want to make our ponytail on top. Now check the back for gaps because the last thing you want is for that net to show in that wig. All right. So now we're going to mix our hair in with the synthetic wig hair. Make sure that band is covered. And we're going to pull that ponytail to the front and make that ponytail come as close to the front as possible. Just as you see me doing here. It should look just like that, guys. All right. So now let's pull the hair, make it nice and taut. And this will be the perfect time to moisturize your wig piece to see if you can get those curls to snap back. So I'm going to use some more of that conditioner and rub it through. Now, once I have that done, I'm going to take my real hair and I'm going to pull it and I'm going to put it into 2 pieces. And with one of those pieces, I am going to twist the hair. Now, guys, once I finish twisting the hair and it looks like that, I am going to hide it in between the synthetic hair. And I'm going to pull it back and I'm going to pin it. Now, guys, once you do this, your real hair should disappear. See? Just like that. Now, let's do the other side. We're going to twist the hair. Now, once you twist the hair, guys, just hide it anywhere you want to hide it. I like doing it this way because I love for my rubber band to show. That makes it look more real. And now we're just going to put a pin in that hair. So once you pin it up, you're going to make sure you finesse that ponytail so none of your real hair will show and it will be undetectable. See? And it should look like that. So guys, that's pretty much it. Once again, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R. Please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay safe and stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Mwah!